Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for an Easypaisa account. First, ensure you have a valid Pakistani CNIC and an active SIM card registered in your name. Easypaisa is Pakistan's top digital wallet, providing seamless transactions and bill payments. Download the official Easypaisa app from your app store, ensuring you have a stable internet connection for a smooth installation process. This prepares you for a quick and easy setup. Once the app is downloaded, tap on its icon to open it for the first time. The app will request certain permissions, such as access to your contacts and SMS messages. These are essential for its proper functioning and secure operations. Grant these permissions when prompted to avoid any interruptions later on. This ensures all features work correctly from the start, making your experience smooth. Next, you'll need to register your phone number. Carefully enter your active mobile number, ensuring it's the one linked to your CNIC. Shortly after, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Input this code into the app precisely to confirm your mobile number's authenticity. This step is crucial for securing your account and linking it correctly to your identity. Now, it's time to link your national identity. Enter your full 13-digit CNIC number accurately, then input the exact issuance date as shown on your physical CNIC card. This information helps verify your identity. Finally, create a memorable but strong 5-digit Easypaisa PIN. Remember this PIN, as it will be your key for secure transactions and accessing your funds within the app. Before finalizing, quickly review all the details you've entered to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm, your Easypaisa account will be successfully activated and ready for use within moments. Congratulations, you can now enjoy the convenience of managing your finances directly from your phone. Start exploring features like bill payments, mobile top-ups, and money transfers with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.